How to remove family link from Google account. If you want to remove a member from your family link on Google, the very first thing you have to do is simply open up your Google application. And once you open it up, you just need to make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, you can tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. From here, tap on Manage your Google account. And then you have different tabs up top, so head over to People and Sharing. Now you'll see your family on Google right here. Tap on Manage Your Family Group. Tap on the member that you want to remove. And then right below here, you have an option to remove member. Just tap on it. And then your member will be removed. You're going to have to verify that it's you. And now your member should be removed from your family group. Just tap on remove for confirmation. And now you've successfully removed a member from your family. If you want to send an invitation again, you could do that as well. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.